Welcome back as we explore these stylish HOMSHO farmhouse nightstands featuring vibrant LED lighting and integrated charging. The built-in RGB strips offer 16 colors and 4 dynamic modes to match your mood perfectly. Each bedside table includes 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports for charging all your devices. The rustic barn door design adds a modern farmhouse touch to any bedroom or living space. Durable particle board construction ensures the top surface can easily support up to 100 pounds. Ample storage space combines an open shelf with an enclosed cabinet to keep your room organized. You can quickly complete the assembly in 30 minutes using the provided tools and detailed instructions. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.